Alright guys, here with you guys at my local hobby shop, which is Hobby Pros. Just got the Losi LMT, what is it? I don't even know what scale they even consider it. It's like 1/10, but really it's 1/8. It's a huge truck. So yeah, let's get to it. Let's open this baby.
It's a big bulk. It's a very big bulk. I'm not X-Max box big, but it's a big box.
Yes, this is like
Yeah,
a scale
this
box.
pretty dang big, man. Look at that. That's beautiful in there.
This is the Gravedigger. They always have the son of the Gravedigger cube.
That's the truck I wanted to get, is the son of the Gravedigger, but hey, you get what you
We didn't get
get right off the
I think
bat.
we still have some on order. But
FedEx has it floating around somewhere, probably in Mexico or
Wow,
China,
giant
somewhere like
boxes for the tires. I'm surprised you don't have to put them on. Wow. Packed a little too well. Doesn't want to come out. Oh man, this sucker is huge, man, for being a 10 scale.
I kind of wish I'd have brought mine. That's way bigger than mine.
That's like an 8th scale.
Oh wow. Yeah,
Well,
those
they do have
tires
the
are
8 scale. They
nice.
do have the 8 scale axles on them, so.
Yeah, a lot bigger.
Oh, yeah, this is a beast, man.
A lot bigger.
Yeah, when the 4-wheel steer comes available, I'm definitely getting that for this. I mean, that's some pretty dang good flex right there.
Driver and sitting in the middle.
Alright, let's see if we can get her unwrapped here.
Got a wheelie bar on the back.
Oh yeah, look at that.
Shiny!
Beautiful. They even have the body savers all the way throughout the whole rig.
Now that's a diff housing.
Yeah, heck yeah. Like they say, ultimate scale axles.
There's the underside.
There's the servo and axle.
Oh, it's got the
axle
red lights in
housing.
it. Got the red lights, the
Beautiful.
Gravedigger lights.
Oh, it clips in right here. The body mounts
Yeah.
Swivels.
are underneath.
Yep.
That's
Yeah.
awesome.
Swivel body.
All right, let's
Nice big old freaking
show you
links on
guys
that
the
thing.
bottom here. Yeah,
Big old
gigantic.
links,
Look at the
man.
drive shaft, bigger than, almost as big as my thumb.
Nice.
Woo!
Well, I knew that
Look
they
at the
had
little
aluminum
exhaust.
chassis.
Look at the
yeah,
exhaust coming out
it's
the
aluminum
side.
chassis plates.
Nice.
It's got the wheelie bar.
Yep, motor sits right in the
Aluminum
middle.
chassis plates. The motor sits. That's that whole new.
Yeah.
It's a
motor
center
sits,
mount.
Yeah.
Spectrum.
Should remove torque twist.
All right, let's get the body off. Show the goods
Flips.
underneath.
It only flips.
Yeah, just the front comes off.
Dun, 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 dun.
It'll
Nine
give it
doesn't
up.
line.
Oh nope, there's sides too.
Oh, is there?
Yeah, there's one on the each side.
Yeah, keep it
Right
right
there.
open.
Yeah, from the sides catching.
Dun,
All right,
dun,
let's try this
dun.
again.
Front wheelie, like rear.
Look at that
wheel
cage.
digger.
Oh, that is nice.
Okay.
Yep, so here's the wire to plug in your lights right there into your receiver. Nice, yep, they got the wire right there. Plug it right in. Of course, there's smart technology from Spectrum.
Charger. Smart.
Beautiful.
Smart ESC.
Oh,
Brushless
nice.
Spectrum motor.
3150 kV
Oh man, that's fast.
is what's in there.
Nice.
Your metal here. Your
And
metal.
it says it can only do the 2 to 3S maximum on this guy. Dang, this is look at the
Lots of
shocks.
adjustments on the
Beautiful.
chassis.
Oh
The
yeah.
adjustments.
Look at the adjustments on the shocks.
Sway
It's a whole
bar,
race chassis.
front and rear. That's
Oh, and the chassis goes. So you can actually move those.
Yeah,
Oh,
it's,
yeah.
A, it's a
Shock
full
the
race
shock
chassis.
positioning,
And they're
Dang.
cambered in, cambered up.
all that stuff.
Nice.
That's
clean setup.
beautiful.
Looks like the outer, so it got more of like the short course style wheels, where the inside
Yeah,
is
like
going to
a-
be a bigger wheel
It's a
to
2.6
keep the
2.6 on the outside and a what? A 3.
3.4.
3.4 or 3.8.
the tire
Three,
ballooning
four,
down
like
to a
that.
minimum. That's going to help. the
Beautiful.
tire
Nice
ballooning.
big clearing. No rub.
Definitely
Price on
can
this
fit
bad
a
boy.
5,000
What
mall
was the
in there
price on this
easy.
bad boy? $599.99.
Yeah, $599.99.
Just happens to be what everybody's check's going to be. $600. $600. You have a new Gravedigger.
What a coincidence.
Right on, man. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in. I got 2 more unboxings for you guys on NMRCC. Thanks to Bobby, the man himself, right there at Hobby Pros.
Thank you.
Having a great shop, having good vehicles, and I don't know what else to say. Thanks, guys. Appreciate it.